numerical solution of system of linear equations. Numerical solution of system of linear equations. Okay, so and today's class for Gauss elimination method. Gauss elimination method. Okay, Gauss elimination method. Suppose we have a system of equations a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus a13 x3 plus dot dot a1n xn equals to b1, a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus a13 x3 plus dot dot a1n xn equals to b1, a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus a23 x3 plus dot dot a2n xn equals to b2, an1 x1 plus an2 x2 plus an3 x3 plus dot dot ann xn equals to bn. Okay, a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus a13 x3 plus dot dot a1n xn equals to b1, a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus a23 x3 plus dot dot a2n xn equals to b2, an1 x1 plus an2 x2 plus an3 x3 dot dot ann xn equals to bn. So we have n equations, n variables. N equations, n variables equation. Now this system of equations can be written in the form of Ax equals to b. So this system of linear equations can be written in the form of Ax equals to b, where the coefficient matrix A equals to, where the coefficient matrix A equals to a11 a12 dot a1n, a21 a22 dot dot a2n, an1 an2 dot dot ann. This is the coefficient matrix A. The vector x, the vector capital X is the vector x1 x2 dot dot xn. This is the vector unknown vector A capital X, and the vector b equals to b1 b2 dot dot bn. Okay, so we have a system of n equations, n variables. That system of equations can be written in the form of Ax equals to b, where the coefficient matrix A is a11 a12 an, a21 a22 a2n, an1 an2 an. This is the coefficient matrix. This is known. The matrix system, for this matrix system, A is known, coefficient matrix A is known. The unknown vector capital X is x1 x2 xn. We have to calculate all the coefficients x1 x2 xn. Okay, and the vector b is b1 b2 bn. Now for Gauss elimination method, Gauss elimination method, For Gauss elimination method, this system of equations Ax equals to b, this system of equations Ax equals to b, from this system of equations Ax equals to b, here A is known, b is also known. We have to find out the vector capital X. Now this system of equations is reduced in the form of ux equals to b dashed. Ux equals to b dashed. What is u? U is some upper triangular matrix system. Upper triangular matrix. U is upper triangular matrix. We reduce this system of equations Ax equals to b into the form of ux equals to b dashed using row equivalent form. using row operations. Row operations. Okay. So for Gauss elimination method, a system of equations Ax equals to B is transformed into Ux equals to B dashed using row operations. So using row operations, Ax equals to B is transformed into Ux equals to B dash. U is upper triangular matrix system. Suppose this is the matrix A, this is the unknown vector X, that is the vector B. Now for matrix A, this is the principal diagonal. Convert all the elements below the principal diagonal into 0 using row operations. So convert all the elements of the principal diagonal below the principal diagonal into 0. So this is the upper triangular matrix system Ux equals to B dash. Now solution of this system of equations Ux equals to B dash can be obtained very easily using substitution. Now the solution is what? X, that is the solution of the system Ax equals to B. Okay, this is the procedure, Gauss elimination procedure. Okay, now take one example. Problem, right? Compute the solve 3x minus y, solve 3x minus y plus 5z, 3x minus y plus 5z equals to 16, 3x minus y plus 5z equals to 16, 3x minus y plus 5z equals to 16, x minus 3y, x minus 3y plus 2z, x minus 3y plus 2z equals to 1, 4x plus y, 4x plus y plus z equals to 9. Solve 3x minus y plus 5z equals to 16, x minus 3y plus 2z equals to 1, 4x plus y plus z equals to 9 using Gauss elimination method. Using Gauss elimination method. Solve this system of equations using Gauss elimination method. Okay. So the given system of equations is 3x minus y plus 5z equals to 16, x minus 3y plus 2z 1, 4x plus y plus z equals to 9. So the coefficient matrix A is what? Here the coefficient matrix A equals to 3 minus 1, 5, 1 minus 3, 2, 3 minus 1, 5, 1 minus 3, 2, 4, 1, 1. This is the coefficient matrix A. A equals to 3 minus 1, 5, 1 minus 3, 2, 4, 1, 1. The vector x is, that is the unknown vector x is x, y, z. The vector x is x, y, z. And the vector b is 16, 1, 9. This is the vector b, that is 16, 1, 9. So the matrix A is 3 minus 1, 5, 3 minus 1, 5, 3 minus 1, 5, 1 minus 3, 2, 1 minus 3, 2, 4, 1, 1, 4, 1, 1. The vector x is the unknown variables x, y, z, and the vector b is 16, 1, 9. Then the system of equations, this system of equations can be written in the form of Ax equals to b. Now we have to convert this system of equations Ax equals to b into Ux equals to b dashed using row operations. Now see, here the augmented matrix A slash B, A colon B. Here the augmented matrix A colon B is what? That is the matrix A, What is the matrix A? Matrix A is 3 minus 1 5. This is 3 minus 1 5. First row of A matrix 3 minus 1 5. Second row 1 minus 3 2. 1 minus 3 2. 4 1 1. 4 1. This is the matrix A. That is 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 5. 1 minus 3 2. 1 minus 3 2. 4 1 1. This is the matrix A. Now write the matrix vector B. What is the vector B? Vector B is 16 16 1 9. 16 1 9. This is the matrix A. This is the vector B. This is matrix A. This is matrix A. This is vector B. Now we use row operations on this matrix system and convert all the elements below the principal diagonal. This is the principal diagonal 3 minus 3 1. All the elements below the principal diagonals we have to make into 0. So first make these two elements 1 and 4 into 0 using 3. So you convert these two elements into 0 using this element. So you have to convert 1 and 4 into 0 using 3, this element. Okay. So use row operations. So first make 1 into 0 using R2 minus 1 by 3 R1. So we have to make it 0. So divide first row by 3. Divide R1 by 3. Then it is 1. Then subtract from second row. R2 minus 1 by 3 R1. Okay. So on R2 minus 1 by 3 R1. So the first row is same. That is 3 minus 1 5. It is 16. Next R2 minus 1 by 3 R1. R2 is what? R2 is 1 minus 3 2 comma 1. This is at 1 minus 3 2 1. 1 minus 3 2 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 R1. R1 is what? 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 5 16. 3 minus 1 5 16. So it is 1 minus 1 3 into 1 by 3. 3 into 1 by 3 is 1. So 1 minus 1. Next minus 3 minus minus it is plus 1 by 3. Minus 3 minus it is plus 1 by 3. Next 2 minus 5 by 3. 2 minus 5 by 3. Next 1 minus 16 by 3. Okay. Now 1 minus 3 by 3, that is 1. So 1 minus 1. Next minus 3 minus it is plus 1 by 3. Minus 3 plus 1 by 3. Next 2 minus 5 by 3. Next 1 minus 16 by 3. So it is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Next minus 3 plus 1 by 3. Minus 3 plus 1 by 3. It is minus 8 by 3. Next 2 minus 5 by 3. 2 minus 5 by 3 is 1 by 3. Next 1 minus 16 by 3. That is minus 13 by 3. Minus 13 by 3. So it is 0. 0. Next minus 8 by 3. Next 1 by 3. Next minus 13 by 3. Okay. This is for second row. Now we have to make it 0. Next R3. So R3 minus divide the first row by 3. That is R1 by 3. Then multiply by 4. Then it is divide the first row by 3. Then it is 1. Then multiply by 4. Then it is 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So R3 minus 4 by 3 R1. So the row operation for the third row is R3 minus 4 by 3 R1. So R3 is 4 minus 4 by 3 R1. 4 by 3 R1 is 4 by 3 into 3, that is 4. 4 minus 4, it is 0. Okay, so the row operation for the third row is, right, first right third row is 4 1 1 9. This is the fourth row. 4 1 1, the third row 4 1 1 9 minus 4 by 3 R1. Just write R1, that is 3 minus 1 5 16. 3 minus 1 5 16. 3 minus 1 5 16. Just simplify. This is 4 minus, it is that is 3 into 3. This is 1 minus 4 minus 4, it is 1. Next 4 minus 4, next 1 plus 4 by 3, 1 plus 4 by 3, next 1 minus, this is 20 by 3, 1 minus 20 by 3, next 9 minus, this is 64 by 3, 9 minus, this is 64 by 3. First 4 minus, it is 4, next 1 minus 1 plus 4 by 3, 1 plus 4 by 3, next 1 minus 20 by 3, next 9 minus 64 by 3. It is 0 plus 7 by 3, 0 plus 7 by 3, next 1 minus 20 by 3 is minus 17 by 3, next 9 minus 64 by 3, that is 27 minus 64, that is minus 37 by 3. Okay, so write 0, next 7 by 3, next minus 17 by 3, next minus 37 by 3, minus 37 by 3. Okay. Now we have to make, this is the, now it is the, this is the principal diagonal. So now we have to make this element 7 by 3 into 0 using minus 8 by 3. Now we have to make this element 7 by 3 into 0 using minus 8 by 3. Okay, using this element minus 8 by 3, using this element minus 8 by 3, we have to make 7 by 3 into 0. Make these two elements 0 using the first element of the diagonal, that is 3. You have to make this is 0 using the second diagonal element, that is minus 8 by 3. It is second diagonal element, that is minus 8 by 3. So the row operation is R3. Now divide, make it into 1. So it is divide this by 3 by 8. It is, here it is 8 by 3. We have to make it 1. So it is divide it by 3 by 8. So it is R by 3, R3 minus divided by 3 by 8. So it is 3 by 8, then multiply by 7 by 3. So minus 7 by 3 into 3 by 8. Sorry, 8 by 3 by 8. So we have to make it 0 using this element. First divide this element by minus 3 by 8. Okay, divide this element by 3 by 8. Sorry, 8 by 3. We have to make this element 7 by 3 into 0 using this element minus 8 by 3. So divide this reduced second diagonal element by minus 8 by 3. Divide, so it is minus 3 by 8, then multiply by 7 by 3. So it is minus 7 by 3 into 3 by 8 into R2. Okay, that is R3 plus 7 by 8 R2. R3 plus 7 by 8 R2. So we have to make 7 by 3 into 0 using minus 8 by 3. So first divide this element by minus 8 by 3. Then multiply by 7 by 3. So multiply by 7 by 3 into divide by minus 8 by 3. that is minus 3 by 8 divided by 8 by 3, that is minus 3 by 8. So it is minus 7 by 8. Now minus R3 minus 7 by 8, that is R3 plus 7 by 8 R2. Okay. So the next row operation is R3 plus 7 by 8 R2. What is R3? R3 is 0, 7 by 3 minus 17 by 3 minus 37 by 3. This is R3. 0, 7 by 3 minus 17 by 3 minus 17 by 3 minus 37 by 3 plus 7 by 8 into R2. What is R2? R2 is 0 minus 8 by 3, 0 minus 8 by 3, next 1 by 3, next minus 13 by 3. This is R3. 0 plus 7 by 3 minus 17 by 3 minus 37 by 3. 0 minus 7 by 3 minus 17 by 3 minus 37 by 3 plus 7 by 8 R2. 0 minus 8 by 3, 1 by 3 minus 13 by 3. Just simplify. This is 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 129 by 24, minus 387 by 24. This is 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 129 by 24, minus 387 by 24. So this is right. This is 3, next minus 1, 5, 16, 3 minus 1, 5, 16, next 0, minus 8 by 3, 1 by 3, minus 13 by 3, 0 minus 8 by 3, 1 by 3, minus 13 by 3. Next row is, this is the reduced R3, that is 0 by this row operation, R3 plus 7 by 3 R2, R3 plus 7 by 8 R2. By this row operation, reduced R3 is 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 129 by 24, minus 129 by 24, minus 387, minus 387 by 24. Okay. So 3 minus 1, 5, 16, 0 minus 8 by 3, 1 by 3, minus 13 by 3, 0, 0, minus 129 by 24, minus 387 by 24. Now see, this is the reduced matrix, upper triangular matrix U. So this is the reduced upper triangular matrix. So U equals to, U is what? 3 minus 1, 5, 0 minus 8 by 3, 1 by 3, 3 minus 1, 5, 3 minus 1, 5, 0 minus 8 by 3, 1 by 3, 0, 0, minus 129 by 22. 3 minus 1, 5, 0 minus 8 by 3, 1 by 3, 0, 0, minus 129 by 24. And the reduced B is B dashed, that is B dashed equals to 16 minus 13 by 3, 16 minus 13 by 3, minus 16 minus 13 by 3, minus 387 by 24. This is the reduced vector B dashed. Okay. Now solution of Ax equals to B. You know that solution of Ax equals to B, solution of this system is same as solution of this system Ux equals to B dashed. So we solve Ux equals to B dashed now. So Ux equals to B dashed is, what is U? U is 3 minus 1, 5, 0 minus 8 by 3, 1 by 3, 3 minus 1, 5, 0 minus 8 by 3, 1 by 3, 0, 0, minus 129 by 24. This is reduced U. What is X? The vector X is X, Y, Z equals to reduced B, that is B dashed. 16 16 minus 13 by 3, 16 minus 13 by 3 minus 387 minus 387 by 24, minus 387 by 24. Okay. Now matrix multiplication. So it is 3x minus y plus 5z. 3x minus y plus 5z equals to 16. Next 0x is 0 minus 8 by 3y minus 8 by 3y plus 1 by 3z plus 1 by 3z equals to minus 13 by 3. Next 0x plus 0y minus 129 by 24z equals to minus 387 by 24. Okay, so 3x minus y plus 5z equals to 16. 0x, that is 0, minus 8 by 3y, 8 minus 8 by 3y plus 1 by 3z equals to minus 13 by 3. So minus 129 by 24z equals to minus 387 by 24. Now this is the reduced system of equations. Now solve the last equation, that is minus 129 by 24z equals to minus 387 by 24. So z is what? Z equals to minus 387 by 24 into minus 24 by 129. So it is 3. So z is 3. Now put z equals to 3 in the second equation. Put z equals to 3 in the second equation and calculate y. So it is minus 8 by 3 y plus 1 by 3 into z. Z is 3 equals to minus 13 by 3. So minus 8 by 3 y equals to minus 13 by 3 minus 1. So z equals to 2. Z equals to 2. Now, y equals to 2. So z is 3, y is 2. Put in the first equation and calculate x. So put y equals to 2, z equals to 3 here. That is 3x minus 2 plus 5 into 3 equals to 16. That is 3x equals to 18 minus 15. That is 3. So x equals to 1. Okay. So x equals to 1. So the solution of this system of equations ux equals to b dashed is x is 1, x equals to 1, y equals to 2 and z equals to 3. This is also the solution of the system of equations ux equals to b dashed. Okay. So the solution of the given system of equation ux equals to b dashed is x equals to 1, y equals to 2, z equals to 3. This is by Gauss elimination method. Okay. Okay. Take one more problem. Solve 2x plus 8y, 2x plus 8y plus 2z, 2x plus 8y plus 2z equals to 14, x plus 6y, x plus 6y minus z equals to 13, x plus 6y minus z equals to 13, 2x minus y, 2x minus y plus 2z, 2x minus y plus 2z equals to 5. So you have to solve this system of equations using Gauss elimination method. Gauss elimination method. Okay. So we have to solve 2x plus 8y plus 2z equals to 14. 2x plus 8y plus 2z equals to 14. X plus 2y minus z equals to 13. 2x minus y plus 2z equals to 5 using Gauss elimination method. So here the matrix system A equals to, this system of equations can be written in the form of Ax equals to B. What is A? The matrix A is the coefficient matrix 2 8 2 8 2. This is 2 8 2 1 6 minus 1 1 6 minus 1 2 minus 1 2 2 8 2 2 8 2 1 6 minus 1 2 minus 1 2. This is the known matrix system, coefficient matrix A. The vector B is 14 14 13 14 13 5. The vector B is 14 13 5, and the vector X is, the unknown vector X is X Y Z. The vector X is X Y Z. So you have to solve this system of equations Ax equals to B using Gauss elimination method. First, we convert this matrix system Ax equals to B into Ux equals to B dash using row operations. So the augmented matrix A colon B is, augmented matrix A colon B is, what is A? A is 2 8 2 2 8 2 1 6 1 6 minus 1 2 minus 1 2 2 8 2 1 6 minus 1 2 8 2 1 6 minus 1 2 minus 1 2. This is matrix A. The vector B is 14 13 3 14 13 5. This is the augmented matrix A colon B. Okay, now use row operations on this augmented matrix. Okay, so you have to use row operations and make these two elements 1 and 2. You have to make these two elements 1 and 2 0 using this element 2. Okay, so the row for second row R2 in reduced R2 is that is reduced R2 is R2 minus divide R1 by 2, so half R1. Reduced R2 is R2 minus 1 by 2 R1. Okay, so first row is fixed, that is 2 8 2. This is 14. Next reduced row is R2 minus 1 by 2 R1. So R2 is what? R2 is 1 6 minus 1 13. 1 6 minus 1 13 minus 1 by 2 R1. R1 is what? Minus 1 by 2 R1. Minus 1 by 2 R1. R1 is 2 8 2 2 8 2 14. 2 8 2 14. Just simplify. This is 1. Next 2 by 2 is 1. So it is 1 minus 1. 6 minus 8 by 2, that is 4. 6 minus 4 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7. So it is 0. It is 0 2 minus 2 6. 0 2 0 2 minus 2 6, right? 0 2 minus 2 6. Okay. Next for R3, reduced R3 is R3 minus, so divide first row by 2, that is 1 by 2 R1, then multiply by this. So divide the first element, divide this element by 2, so it is 1 by 2 R1, then multiply by this 2, so 2 by 2 is 1, so that is actually R3 minus R1. Okay, so reduced R3 is R3 minus R1. R3 is 2 minus 1 2 5. This is R3. 2 minus 1 2 5 minus R1. R1 is 2 8 2 14. 2 8 2 14. So it is 2 minus 2 is 0. Next minus 1 minus 8, that is minus 9. 2 minus 2 is 0. 5 minus 14, that is minus 9. So it is 0 9. So this is 0 0 This is minus 8. 0 minus 9. 0 minus 9. So it is 0 minus 9. 0 minus 9. Okay. So write 0 minus 9. 0 minus 9. This is 2. 2 minus 1. 2 5 minus R1. R1 is 2 8 2 14. So 2 minus 2 is 0. Minus 1 minus 8 is minus 9. Minus 1 minus 8. Minus 1 minus 8 is minus 9. 2 minus 2 is 0. 5 minus 14 is minus 9. Okay. Now we have to make it. We have to make this minus 9 into 0 using this element 2. So the operation is R3. New row R3 is R3 minus, make it 1 first. So 1 by 2 R1, 1 by 2 R2, 1 by 2 R2, 1 by 2 R2, then multiply by minus 9. So multiply this 1 by 2, this minus 1 by 2 it is. So it is actually 1 by 2 into minus 9 R1 R2. First divide this by 2. So it is 1 by 2 into, then multiply by minus 9. Multiply by minus 9. Okay? R2. That is actually R3 prime is actually R3 plus 9 by 2 R2. R3 plus 9 by 2 R2. So R3 prime is R3 plus 9 by 2 R3 plus 9 by 2 R2. So the row operation is, this is the row operation for the third row. Third row is R3 plus 9 by 2 R2. So it is right. First row is fixed 2 8 2. It is 14. Next 0 2 minus 2 6. 0 2 0 2 minus 2 6. It is for next row 0. So it is reduced. Third row is 0. Okay. So third row is reduced. Third row is R3 plus 9 by 2 R2. So the reduced third row is R3 plus 9 by 2 R2. What is R3? R3 is 0 minus 9, 0 minus 9, 0 minus 9. This is R3, 0 minus 9, 0 minus 9 plus 9 by 2 R2. 9 by 2 R2. R2 is what? 0, 2 minus 2, 6. 0, 2, 0, 2 minus 2, 6. Just simplify. 0 plus 9 by 2, 0. It is 0 minus 9 plus 9. Minus 9 plus 9. It is 0. 0 plus 9 by 2 into minus 2. It is minus 9. Minus 9 plus 9 by 2 into 6. That is 27. Minus 9 plus 27. It is 18. Okay. So the third row is 0, 0, minus 9, 18. 0, 0, minus 9, 18. This is the third row. So the reduced vector, reduced matrix, this is the reduced matrix U, that is the upper triangular matrix. This is reduced vector B dash. So U equals to U is 2 8 2 8 2. The reduced vector, reduced matrix U is 2 8 2 0 2 minus 2 0 2 minus 2 0 0 minus 9. This is reduced matrix U, upper triangular matrix, and the reduced vector B is 14 14 6 14 6 18. 14 6 18. This is a reduced vector B dash. Okay, but you know that the AX equals to B, the system AX equals to B, the solution of the system AX equals to B is the solution of the system UX equals to B dash. Now we solve UX equals to B dash. UX equals to B dash. That is, what is U? U is 282 282 0 2 minus 2 0 0 minus 9. This is U. X is what? X is X Y Z. X is x, y, z equals to reduced b dash. Reduced b dash is 14, 14, 6, 18. 14, 6, 18. Okay? Just solve. Matrix multiplication. So it is just multiply 2x plus 8y, 2x plus 8y plus 2z, 2x plus 8y plus 2z is 14. Next, 0x is 0, 2y minus 2z, 2y minus 2z equals to 6. Next, minus 9z equals to 18. Minus 9z equals to 18. Now, solution of minus 9z equals to 18 is what? Z equals to minus 2. So, solution just 9z equals to 18. 9z equals to 18 implies 9z equals to 18 implies z equals to minus 2. Now, put z equals to minus 2 in the second equation. So, 2y minus 2 into minus 2 equals to 6. That is 2y equals to 6. This is plus 4. 6 minus 4. That is y equals to 1. Y is 1. Now put z equals to minus 2, y equals to 1 in the first equation. So put z1, y1, z minus 2 in the first equation. So 2x plus 8 into 1 plus 2 into minus 2 equals to 14. So 8x plus 8 into 1 plus 2 into minus 2 equals to 14. So it is 2x plus 8 minus 4 equals to 14. So it is 2x plus 4 equals to 14. So 2x equals to 10. 2x equals to 10. That implies x equals to 5. X equals to 5. So the solution of the system of equations is x equals to 5, y equals to 1 and z equals to minus 2. So this is the solution of the given system of equations using Gauss elimination method. Okay. So before we stop today's class, take two homework. Right. Right. So problem 1. Solve x1 plus 2x2, x1 plus 2x2 plus 3x3 equals to x1 plus 2x2 plus 3x3 equals to 14. x1 plus 2x2 plus 3x3 equals to 14. 2x1 plus 5x2, 2x1 plus 5x2 plus 2x3 equals to 2x3 equals to 18. 2x3 equals to 18. x3 equals to 18. 3x1 plus x2, 3x1 plus x2 plus 5x3 equals to 20. So solve this system of equations. x1 plus 2x2 plus 3x3 equals to 14. 2x1 plus 5x2 plus 2x3 equals to 18. 3x1 plus x2 plus 5x3 equals to 20. Using Gauss elimination method. Gauss elimination method. Just write answer. Answer is x1 equals to 1, x1 1, x2 equals to 2, x3 equals to 3. x1 1, x2 2, x3 3. So solve this system of equations using Gauss elimination method. Solution is x1 1, x2 2, x3 3. This is homework 1. Next homework problem. Solve 2x1 plus 3x2, 2x1 plus 3x2 plus x3 equals to minus 1, 2x1 plus 3x2, 2x1 plus 3x2 plus x3 equals to minus 1, 5x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals to 9, 5x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals to 9, 3x1 plus 2x2, 3x1 plus 2x2 plus 4x3 equals to 11. So 2x1 plus 3x2 plus x3 equals to minus 1, 5x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals to 9, 3x1 plus 2x2 plus 4x3 equals to 11. Solve this system of equations using Gauss elimination method. Okay, just write answer. Answer is x1 equals to x1 is 7 by 4, x1 is 7 by 4, x2 is minus 19 by 8 and x3 is 21 by 8. x1 is 7 by 4, x1 is 7 by 4, x2 is minus 19 by 8, x3 is 21 by 8. This is the solution. Okay, so you can stop now. Next day we will start Gauss-Seidel method. Okay, thank you.